Hi guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy. So we have a very nice offer. If you do share the this video, and you like, and if you didn't subscribe previously, please you do so, and just write a comment. Then there is a WhatsApp number below. Send your email, which you're going to activate, or you register your account right here. Just come to FX Market Strategy, make an account, and this is gonna give you a free plan. Okay, right here. This is going to be free. So once you do all that stuff, just send your email to the WhatsApp which you used to here, and our team is going to activate it for 3 months for you for free. And this offer runs only this week. Okay, so this is just a week offer. This is going to be for free for just this week. Okay, guys. So this is just appreciation for our followers in the YouTube channel. Here, you're gonna get access to VSA Market Scanner, Trend Analyzer, and all the premium tools for free. The XY, I don't have to talk much. This analysis from last week, we forecasted this down wave and we forecasted a correction afterwards at a big fall coming. This big fall, there's two scenarios. The first one, it can run a little bit up here, okay, then fall, okay, or it can just fall from here. But anyway, we are just waiting for the XY to continue falling. If you look at the RSI just fallen, the MACD falling, and we expect to bounce from here as a support, go up to test this level right here, okay, just like here. So possibly we can get one more wave up before we actually drop. It was right on. Then it started to fall down a little bit. What we expect this to continue to the upside. So we're still bullish in the Euro index and overall. Bound, we were also bullish in the bound index. Okay, but what we can see next week is just a small correction first. Okay, then continue to the upside, guys. Okay. CHF, I think is very clear. We expected this wave to continue to the downside. As you can see, just the franc is falling. So just gonna keep falling like this, up and down, up and down, up and down to this level, okay? Japanese index, we said it may, if you guys going to sell it, be careful because this still is gonna have another wave up, and you can see it just had a quick sharp fall, start bouncing back. What we expect is gonna continue up here, so probably is gonna reach up here before actually it falls. So watch out, JPY pairs still can rise. Australian did rise with the stock market, start small correction. So what's next? So after we finish this wave right here, don't sell this one. Wait the reverse. Once reach this area right here, this is gonna reverse, guys. Okay. So don't sell it. Wait for the next buy. New Zealand, the same scenario. We can get a small correction to the downside, then continue to the upside, and that's the index. So just to give you analysis for the strengths of the currency. Canadian, we expect a down wave because we expect oil start coming down a little bit. Dow, I think we are very clear that we are very bullish. We are bullish in the Dow. You can see this. We said we are probably gonna go test this level. We tested this level, and we are very, very close to this level. For now, we need to come back here, guys. At least 1,000 points down. Okay, don't go and buy here. This is too high now. Wait, if we drop 1,000 points down to this level, okay, then we start going back up, this would be a very good place. We're gonna get access for free for the APCO trading system for 3 months. This is a really nice offer. The same for Nasdaq. Nasdaq also start going up. Some tech companies were not doing as great. That's why the Nasdaq was not doing as good as Dow Jones. Overall, this only a buy. We're going back to $16,000. We're going up to 16,000. So don't sell Nasdaq anymore. Interest rate may push it down a little bit. Mr. Powell's speech is gonna push it up. This is the story. So that's it. That's the same scenario, okay, guys. No more selling. What you do is just wait a correction, go up with the trend, okay? This is gonna continue going up. There's no more down. US crude, I think we are very clear about this trend. We put this trend together and we said we expect this wave to go up close to the trend and start coming down, and that's what happened. But watch out, this may actually go up a little further more, okay? So don't go on short unless you have a very clear signal, okay? Because this may break above here and go to close to 90, okay? So be careful. Eventually it's gonna come down, but we may have another wave. So instead of this just coming down here, this could be something like this here, then we have another wave like this. Okay, then from here we drop. So be careful, or it can the same scenario for this one. Gold, guys, so what we expect is just another wave down, maybe 1620 or so. Okay, so this is expected to actually come down a little bit with the yields being strong. From here 1620, 1610, then this area where we are gonna go actually and buy the upside. Okay, euro dollar, that was nice last week. So what you expect now is just a small wave to the upside, maximum to reach this level right here, then we'll go up. I would prefer to wait, don't sell this one, wait, let it drop, and from here start buying. If it drops a little bit more, you can buy again, but don't sell it. Pound, I think we were very clear in this. It did break to the upside right from here, start going like this. What we expect is just a small correction sideways here, and from here, it's probably gonna continue to the upside again. Okay, so this is the way to go, guys. USD CAD, we were bearish last week. That was really nice. What we expect is just a small up, then drop again. Euro New Zealand, we expect a down wave. This down wave is expected to possibly continue a little bit here. And from here, we're going to probably go up again. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the website. This is a really nice offer you can benefit from. So we offer in this package just 3 months for free for all the followers for this week as appreciation for our followers. Okay, there's a WhatsApp number. Just join for free. Once you join, don't pay anything. Just join for free. Once you join for free, just text the WhatsApp to the admin. Say, please, I joined by this email. Just activate my account for 3 months for free, and it will be activated. Okay, guys, thank you and have a great day. Okay, goodbye.